glue.
Hello? Is it Rajiv?
Who is it?
I'm Nisha. You're Rajiv, right?
Yeah, I'm Rajiv. Tell me.
But you don't sound like Rajiv. Hello?
Your voice is so sweet.
Are you Rajiv?
Why? You will talk only to Rajiv? You won't talk to me?
You talk so funny.
So, you like the way I talk? Where you are right now? I want to see you now itself. Shall we meet?
Okay. Surely we will meet.
When?
Today.
Oh, what a surprise.
Tonight at 10 o'clock we will surely meet.
Sure.
Hey brother, what did she say?
Hey, she wants to meet me tonight. I'm sure she must be beautiful. Today is our day. Yes.
Is Nisha here?
Yeah, she's there. She's waiting for you all. Nisha?
What, Mom?
The people you were expecting have come.
Okay, Mom, I'll come.
Please be seated.
Okay,
She'll come
thanks.
What, dude? Where is she? Will she really look beautiful or what? I don't know what's happening here. Why you are bothered about all this? First let her come.
Hey brother, would you reject her if she is aged? We have come here to have some good time, that's all.
I'm Nisha. What will you have?
No, nothing, thanks.
No, you should have something.
Not needed, thanks.
Hot or cold?
I told you nothing.
Okay, I'm going to my room. Come one by one.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Hey!
Why are you so tensed? Is there any problem?
I don't have any problem. I'm not afraid of anything. The girl who went to the counselor asking for a job was raped by him.
How did you know that? You just be careful, okay? He is a politician.
If we don't do something now, he will keep on raping and killing girls like this. People like him should never be left like this. The last person she met was the counselor only. After seeing the counselor, she never returned.
Why? Didn't the police take any action?
They said there is no evidence at all. Somehow I must kill the counselor.
You plan it in such a way that they come home.
It is risky to bring him home, Mom.
So what are you planning to do then?
I must meet the enemy at his own place.
Nisha, this is very risky, I say.
He cannot do anything to me, Mom. He is a cheap womanizer. That is our biggest weapon. I need your blessings, Mom.
Don't worry, nothing will happen to you. You will surely succeed. Justice will always be in your way.
If I become the next CM, you'll become the minister's man. Hey, since that fellow has been appointed as the district secretary, nobody is respecting us, man.
Yes, Chief. He's in wrong road.
Whatever it is, he is occupying a high post, man. Don't talk like this.
He's playing a lot of games. Why don't we go and inform about him to the party chief?
Don't I know about the leader? He can never be trusted. See who's calling, man. From the time I've been given this post, all recommendation calls, man. I've been fed up with these calls, man.
Hello?
Hey, who's online?
This is some girl.
Hey, is it a girl?
Wait, leave me.
Am I the counselor or you?
Okay, take it.
Hello?
Good evening, sir. Is it the counselor?
Yes, dear. Who's this?
Vanaja sister gave this number. My name is Susie.
Susie. Sweet name, dear. What can I do for you? If you want any help, tell me.
Sir, I am running a beauty parlor. I give good massages, sir. If it's okay with you, I will come, sir.
You can come over anytime, dear. Because I give preference to ladies first.
Okay, sir.
A girl from the spa? Then she must be really a sweet.
Sir?
Come. Sit down. What's your name, dear?
Susie.
Oh, can we do a little smooching? Oh, your smile is like falling dimes, dear. I like you. Massage, baby. Why are you turning that side? Don't worry. Only we two of us are here. And no third person is here.
That is what I want.
Shall I give a new idea to you?
Tell me, sir.
You lie on the bed. I'll massage for you.
Without experience, you can't do it, sir.
Don't we learn car driving with elbows? It is same like that. Am I speaking to the sub-inspector?
Yes, this is Sub-Inspector here.
Sir, do you know the area councillor, Mr. Lennon? He has been murdered just a few minutes back, sir.
Hello? What are you saying? Who are you?
It's me who murdered him.
Hello, madam, please stop the car. What, madam? I have been following you for some time, but you are ignoring me.
Hey, who are you?
What, Nisha? Don't you remember me?
To remember you, are you my lover or what?
No, Nisha. On that other day when I met with an accident, you only did first aid for me. Can you remember?
If you follow me like this, I will kill you then, mind you.
I never expected we'll meet again after that incident. You were shouting at me on that day. I was frightened.
This is nothing, Mr. Ravi. You still have lots to see.
What do you mean?
You take 2 more pegs, Ravi. Then you will understand.
Here.
Uh-huh. Malini loved you very sincerely. You played a love game with her and you made her your victim. You think women is a cheap or what? They are not a play toy. You guys love one girl, then use her and then throw her somewhere. How can you people cheat? A girl who trusts you guys. You were also born in mother's womb. You grew up drinking your mother's milk, right? How can you treat all women in a sarcastic way, huh? It's better for people like you to die than live. Sir?
You are the one who's running the beauty parlor.
Yes, sir.
Last week, you had a fight with a boy.
I don't remember.
You can't forget it so soon. Try and think harder.
What's the matter, sir?
That guy was in love with a girl. He had taken her somewhere to marry her, but she was murdered after that. And now, the guy is also missing.
Oh, I remember it, Mr. Karthik, sir.
How do you know my name?
Won't I know my area inspector's name? I don't remember that guy's face, sir. But I remember that girl's face, sir. Because she's my regular customer, sir.
Is that so? Hey, constable, give me that photo.
Yes, sir.
Just have a look at this.
Yes, now I remember, sir. I had a fight with him that day, sir. But he doesn't look like a killer, sir.
That's right. We cannot judge a person by his looks. Who is good and who is bad is difficult to judge. You might have heard of the wolf in a sheep's fur. Criminals are like that. It's not the girl's murder that intrigues me. The guy should not be killed at any cost, and that is my main concern.
So many murders have taken place, sir. Find the killer fast. I'm sure you will get a promotion. Bye, sir.
Sir, seems like you're in a deep thought.
Constable, this mother and daughter do not look genuine at all. I have a feeling they're trying to hide something.
Sir, I don't think so, sir. They look so innocent. How can we suspect them? They don't look suspicious.
No, I have a doubt on both of them. Keep a close watch on them. Yes, sir. Come here, you.
Leave me!
Hey, come on.
Leave me! Hey, leave him! Hey, leave
Just
me!
check. What happened to him?
Hey, he's
Hey,
dead.
wait a minute.
Leave me!
Don't let her run.
Hey,
Catch her.
stop.
Catch her, come on.
Where are you going? Hey! Stop!
Stop there.
Catch him, man! Hey! Wait!
There, I say.
Hey! Wait!
Hey,
Hey, don't go! Wait!
stop there. Don't run.
Hey, catch it!
Hey,
Hey!
hey, you stop there.
Wait!
Don't run.
Hey! Hey, wait!
Stop there.
Hey!
Don't make us run. Stop there.
Wait!
Cover.
Catch him!
Cover.
Leave me,
Nisha, wake up, my dear. You're late now. Drink this and get ready now.
I'm tired, Mom. After drinking this, shall I sleep?
Nowadays, you're becoming very lazy.
What happened to you? You're talking like this. You know my job, right? Okay, I will get ready then. Make my breakfast.
Okay. Nisha, you're getting late to the office.
Yeah, I'll come, Mom. What? Why are you looking at me?
It's nothing. I was just thinking about how your life will be. I just don't know what's going to happen.
You don't worry about anything. You brought me up as a brave girl. I can live my life without anyone's support.
Be careful. You don't try to mess with anybody else. You just be calm. Anger is the biggest enemy.
Don't worry, Mom. I will manage everything. You just chill. I'm getting late.
Be careful, my dear.
Okay, Mom.
It's here only, sir.
Hey, listen.
Sir,
Have a close look. Check if you can get any clues.
we are investigating every case, sir. But those criminals are not leaving even a single clue behind.
Hey, close your mouth and check him first. You might get something.
Poor guy. His fate is to die here only. Don't know who killed this guy, sir.
It's your duty to find out, sir.
Hey, listen. I know it's my duty. We police are here for that only, man. You don't have to tell me.
And then, where is the other body?
Sir, it's over there, sir. Come, I'll show you.
Hey, you. Move.
Hey,
Out
move,
of the way.
man.
Come
Don't
on.
stand like a statue. Sir?
What is it?
Sir, I think 3 or 4 people have raped and killed her, sir. She looked totally messed up, sir.
Listen, could it be that she was a girl with questionable character?
No, I don't think she's like that character, sir. She seems to be from a good family, sir.
In that case, why should she come to a place like this?
Lovers, sir. Probably in search of privacy. Poor kids, they have been killed mercilessly.
And also, the way the body is lying there, I think there was a big fight before she died. Recently, a lot of murders have been happening like this.
Yes, sir.
Constable, all the murders that happened last month are a big challenge for us.
Yes, sir. Even last month 15th, we found a dead body from the lake area. While investigating this case, we found 2 more bodies.
Yes. I think there is a connection between that girl's murder and the murder that happened here.
Maybe true, sir.
Look, there has been a twin murder here. Before another murder in connection to this happens, we have to catch hold of the culprits. I will catch them.
We have been saying this at every crime scene. By the time the culprits finish their job.
Look, this time that won't happen. You will see that I'll catch him alive. Just wait and watch. Go and make arrangements for the body's post-mortem.
Those arrangements have been made. Ambulance is on the way.
Alright, we can do something only after the reports come.
Yes, sir.
But one thing, in our jurisdiction limit, these kind of murders should not happen again.
Okay, sir.
Keep nodding your head like this,
Sir.
and don't do any work. That's what you're fit for. Get lost.
He didn't even sign me off. What kind of an SI he is? Lata, handbag.
Hello, where are you going?
No, madam, her handbag.
This is ladies' beauty parlor. Gents not allowed. You should be outside.
Why are you shouting at me like this?
What? I am shouting at you? You're the one who's creating the problem. You didn't see the board outside? It's mentioned ladies and kids only. Then why did you come in?
Am I going to rape you or what?
Hey, what did you say just now? You think you're Prince Charles or what? That I will fall for you?
Listen, you're crossing your limits. Don't instigate me unnecessarily. Then I do not know what I'll do against you. If you misbehave like this, later you'll regret.
What will you do? Do you think women are so cheap or what? Get lost from here, otherwise I'll kill you.
Sorry, madam. Why are you fighting with her? Come, let's go.
No, Lata,
I'm telling
this
no.
girl is talking
Come.
too much.
Listen, brother. Police is searching for us everywhere. In case we are caught, we are done. Remember that.
Hey, this is the first time we are just going for that place, so no problem. They can't able to find us anywhere. Don't underestimate them. If they decided to catch us, they will easily catch us within 24 hours. Shit, why are you doing like this, man? Don't get pissed off. I don't know what I'm going to do with you guys. Hey, dude, it's not that, man. We have to enjoy our life. Let's do one thing. We'll just go to bank. Don't kill me! No! No! Please!
What happened, sir? Why did you
Someone is trying
scream?
to kill me!
Are you mad? Will somebody scream like this?
Hey, you will also scream if you get such dreams.
When did you be without dreaming? Go to sleep now. Why did you torture like this?
Don't get frightened. It's just a dream. Sleep now. I'm telling now.
No, mummy. Someone was chasing me and trying to kill me in my dream.
Don't think about all those. Just go to sleep now. I have to wake up early.
You just go to sleep, but don't close your eyes. Don't spoil our sleep too.
See, mummy, how she is pulling my leg.
You just keep quiet and sleep now. You come.
Look, in a single day, 2 rapes and 4 murders. I didn't have any answers for my superior's questions. We have to solve the case somehow. Only if I bring this serial murder to a halt, I can sleep peacefully.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah, tell me. Madam has not come. I'll inform the moment she comes. Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
One Miss Deepthi had called for an appointment.
Did any customer come?
No, ma'am. What should I inform Deepthi?
Give an appointment after 5, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah, tell me.
Good morning. Sorry,
Good morning.
I am late today.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, come in.
Okay.
Somebody please help me. Call the doctor.
What happened? Why are you shouting? What happened now?
Oh, it's bleeding.
Why are you overreacting?
painful.
It's only a small wound.
Are you a doctor?
Yes,
Thanks for the
I'm a
help.
doctor. Not a normal doctor. I'm a surgeon who does operation.
Oh, I see. This is all very casual for you. You must be handling these kind of cases daily.
Okay, no problem. Take care of yourself.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Counselor, sir.
What, man?
A girl has come to meet you.
For what?
She says you promised her a job.
Ask her to come in. Ask her to come in. She must be a beautiful girl then. It's going to be my day.
Sir, already you have raped and killed 2 beautiful girls. Can't you at least spare this girl? She looks like a girl from a poor family. Only if she earns something, she can take care of her family.
Hey, you don't advise me. If you ask me to change for the good, do you think I'll change for the good? Go, man. Go and ask her to come inside. Hey, go, man.
People like you will finally burn in hell.
Let her come. Waiting for the time I'll pounce on her.
Brother, I can't able to open the door. Please come and help me.
You only know to eat very well, but not fit for even a small job.
Brother, you scolded me, right? Even you can't able to open the door.
Don't be in a hurry, wait.
Brother, full of blood streams. Please call the police.
Hello, police station?
Nisha,
Yes, who are you? What do you want?
do I have to remind you again and again? It's me, accident boy. The other day we met on the road.
That's okay. But what do you want now?
I want to talk to you in private. Please, can you just come out for a while?
There is nothing to talk personally.
Please don't tell like that. There are a lot of things to share with you. I would have spoke to you here itself, but the board mentioned only ladies and kids. That's why I want you outside. From the time I saw you, I'm not able to sleep, nor I am feeling hungry. I'm not able to concentrate on anything. Will you please tell me what my problem is?
I know. Go and see nice psychiatrist. There is surely some problem with you.
You are right, Nisha. I know it's some kind of a problem, but I won't get affected. I can't keep all the stuffs in my heart. I am very open type, Nisha. Whatever is in my heart, I will just throw it on you. I love you, Nisha.
I love you too.
Yay! I know, Nisha, you will surely love me. When I met you first, I saw a spark in your eyes. I noticed it.
This is my life. I can't decide it myself. For that,
For that?
why don't you come and meet my mom in the evening?
Oh, that's all. I really got scared, Nisha. I'll come along with my family to your place.
No, not necessary. You come alone. If mom says okay, bring your family then.
Okay, Nisha. Bye bye. See you. Hi, Auntie. I come to meet Nisha.
Yeah, please sit down. Nisha, somebody has come to see you.
Hey,
Hi, welcome.
hey, Nisha. No. I just came
Come
to see
inside. Come.
you. No problem. I just sit here itself.
My mom agreed for the marriage.
I don't like to marry you.
Why?
You're a bad girl. You dressed so badly.
Don't be stupid.
Please don't do like this and all. I don't like.
I am not doing anything wrong. Why are you behaving like this? We are going to get married, right? How many girls you have proposed like this?
I proposed to 3 of them, but those 3 of them have rejected me.
So you are torturing girls to love you, right?
It's not like that, Nisha. If they really like me, I will propose them.
What will you do after you love?
I will marry them, Nisha. I will marry them.
After marriage?
Why are you talking like this, Nisha?
Tell me, what will you do after marriage? By giving false promises, you trap all the girls? Is it? I will.
She's trying to kill me.
Hey, Nisha, why did you send him like that? He's going to complain to the police.
He will not go to the police, mom. He doesn't have guts.
Whatever it is, just be careful with him.
Okay, mom.
You just keep an eye on him. We can't trust these guys.
If I am right, he seems to be a nice guy. He is not like others. It's enough if I threaten him alone. He will go his way.
If my guess is right, both mother and daughter, they came by the same car we saw at the workshop. No. That car is different, this car is different. How can you be so sure? Don't talk like an idiot. That's a Maruti and this is a Qualis. Listen, the murder didn't happen in that car. After the murder was done, the body was kept in the car. It doesn't look like any sort of violence happened inside it. This case and this whole situation is giving me a huge headache. That's right, sir. Look, you do one thing. You go and note the car's number. And then you go to the RTO office and find who is the owner of this car. Right, sir. Once we find the owner of the car, then the case is easy to solve. Understand?
Where is it being solved, sir? It is pulling on.
He seems to be smarter than me.
Sir, somebody who does not like the police must have done this crime.
No. How can you be so sure about it?
See, sir, if somebody informs and kills, we can catch them easily. But this fellow first kills and then informs.
That is exactly the challenge. Alright, how many years you're working in the department? You find the murderer and take a promotion. Yeah.
No, sir, I don't want. I'll remain the constable till my last breath. I am not interested in taking any risk.
He's too smart. Look, the only proof that we have is this car. Using this, we have to find the murderer.
What are you doing, man?
I'm doing makeup for me. Am I looking like an hero?
Why not? You look like a buffoon only. Very nice.
Hey, don't make fun of me.
Then, why won't I make fun of you? Instead of body spray, you used a mosquito spray.
That's why it smells so bad.
At least now you found it stupid. What is the occasion? Dressed up like a bridegroom, and where are you going to?
That's suspense.
Just tell me no. I will not tell anybody. Please, bro.
I know about you. Instead of telling it to you, I'll be quiet.
If you're not going to tell me, then that work will not be successful.
Hey, don't stand like a bad omen when I'm going for a good work.
Listen, Are you the owner of the car?
Yes, sir.
Oh, then 3537 is your car, no?
Yes, sir.
I got a complaint from the workshop. The car had lot of blood stains. How so?
Sir, what are you saying? It's been a week since I used the car. My friend Ravi took the car.
Why did you give him the car?
For his personal use, sir. I wanted to help him.
Okay. Is this guy your friend?
Yes, sir.
Hey, this guy took a girl to some place, raped her and killed her on the spot.
What are you saying, sir? I don't understand what you're saying. Sir, this guy is lying, sir. We'll take him to a station and make him tell the truth, sir.
Hey. Hello?
Am I speaking to the sub-inspector?
Yes?
You must be tired searching for Ravi, isn't it? He is no more. You can find the body in the shrubs near your police station. All the best.
Hello? Hello? Hey, who's this? Hello? Hey!
She's trying to kill me!
what my mom told about men is right. He is also same like other men. First time my calculation went wrong. There is no other way rather than to kill him.
The brush which we got near the body seems like a lady's brush.
That's not a lady's brush, man. That is a brush used only in beauty parlors. From the clues that we have got, I think the murderer is a woman.
Sir, but all the calls which we received were of a male voice.
Why? Can't a woman change her voice and speak on phone? I am sure all these murders were done by a woman. Sir, you're very correct. Could it be that the lady who runs a beauty parlor did this? You are very correct. First we'll arrest that woman, and once we interrogate her, she'll tell all the truth.
Sir, one girl is trying to kill me. Please, save me, sir. Please, please. That corner house. That's the house.
What are you talking? Which house?
Please, sir. Please help me. Please save me, sir. Please go there and see, sir. Please, sir.
It will be better if we go there in the night. If we go there right now, they might get alert and they might even escape. Hey, there is a body here. His neck is bleeding. Hey, Constable.
Tell me,
the
sir.
murder happened just now. Blood is still fresh. Murderer should be somewhere near. Come on, search for her.
Okay, sir.
My dad, my mom, myself and my sister. This is our family. When my dad is not at home, it's like a heaven for us. My dad doesn't come home often. If my dad comes home, we have not seen our mom smiling. She is always in tears. My dad used to beat my mom. My mom used to bear all these things for our sake only. There is happiness and sadness in everyone's life, but for us, it's only sorrows.
Seems like you're enjoying life in my absence. Are you expecting someone or what?
I was just feeding the kids.
Have you asked someone to come in the night during my absence?
Why are you talking to me like this?
You're talking as though you're a saint? As though you're coming from a good family.
Whatever you say, I'm coming from a good
But
family
you're
only.
back answering me. Hey! Hey!
Please don't leave me.
Back answering me. Hey!
Please leave me alone. Please don't hurt me.
Die here itself. Stupid woman. I should not see you here.
Mom, why is Dad beating you like this? Come, let's go from here. Mom, don't cry.
When I grow up, I'll work hard and take care of you and sister, Mom. Please don't cry, Mom.
My dad always tortures my mom like anything. He is very suspicious person. Poor mom. My dad's torture was increasing day by day. By seeing all these things, I started hating my dad. I was very ashamed to call him my dad. Finally, what my mom was frightened of happened that day.
Shall I serve you food?
So, you're eating food before I could come, huh? What type of woman you are? Why are you staring at me? Wait, I'll teach you a lesson. See what I'm going to do to you now. Then only you'll learn.
No,
Now eat
please
this.
stop it. No, please
Come
don't
on.
give me that. No, I can't take this.
Hey,
No, please.
have this.
Please don't give me.
Eat it. Open your mouth. Prove that you're a faithful wife. Open your mouth. Come on. Open your mouth and eat it. Eat it fully. Come on. Eat it. Eat it. You were eating before I could come. Now eat. Eat. Best wife in the world, huh? Eat it. Now eat. Open. Open your mouth. Eat. Eat it.
What, sister? Now you are itself taking tuition for kids.
What to do? I have no money to pay the tuition fees for them.
Yeah, sister, correct. Where is your husband? Is he not here? Huh? Oh, he has arrived. Okay, then bye. Bro, good morning, bro.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
Bro, I'm coming from your house only. Talking with sister. Bro.
What, sister? Hey, just get lost from here. Seems like you're having real fun. What? You have fixed him or what?
No, he was just inquiring about our kids' studies.
You're cooking up stories? I don't believe it. That means you're waiting for an opportunity for me to die. waiting for me to die, huh? Wait, I'll come. Here, take this and get lost. Don't stand here. Get lost. Go away. Thank God. Go away. I can live peacefully. Run away with anyone. Go. I'm least bothered. Go to hell.
After my dad sent my mom outside the house, we suffered a lot. My mom searched for a job many places, but she did not get a job anywhere, and we were dying of hunger. At last, she got a job as a housemaid.
Lakshmi?
I'm coming. What is it?
Get me a cup of coffee. I'm having headache.
Okay. So here's your coffee.
The coffee was very tasty. Your husband is unlucky not to have this coffee.
Please don't remind me about him, sir. Now only I'm a little peaceful.
Sorry. If I have spoken wrong, forgive me.
Sir, why do you say sorry to me? I'm just a servant over here.
I don't think like that. You are one in the family.
Mom!
Oh my goodness, you're running off temperature.
What happened to
Sir,
her?
my daughter's running off
I
high
see.
fever.
Okay, take her to a doctor. Here.
You want something?
I need some water.
Now what do you want?
No, please, please, please leave me. No, please. Leave me, I said. Leave me. Please. Please don't hurt me. Please. Please leave me. Please. Please don't hurt me. Please leave me alone. Please, please, please leave me. Please don't do anything. Please leave me. Please leave me. Don't do anything. Please. Leave me. After my dad, the people whom all I have seen are rogues. They were behaving like merciless animals. My sister was very innocent. Even she became a victim in the hands of men. From that day onwards, I decided men are animals, including my dad. The news through the media which have been coming out made me like this. I started hunting for such criminals.
Before the inspector could find out, I should find the killer and get a good name from the government. Yes. Hey, she's trying to kill me. Hey, someone help, help, help. She's trying to kill me. Help, help. Inspector, inspector, help me. Save me. Help me. She's trying to kill me.
Don't do it, Nishad.
Sir,
Don't do it.
help me, sir.
You've done a lot of crime already. Remove the knife.
Sir.
Listen to me.
Sorry,
Surrender
sir.
right now.
I can't leave him.
Please, Nisha. I am telling this for your sake. Throw the knife and surrender.
I know what I am doing, sir. Help us to escape. Otherwise, he will die.
Inspector, please save me. My father used to tell, don't go for police job. Sir, please, sir. Save me, sir. Please, sir.
Don't move.
Okay, I won't do anything. Don't harm him.
Arrest these people immediately, please.
Okay, sir. You arrest us.
Sir, don't believe them. They don't look genuine, sir. Arrest them, sir, immediately.
Constable, shut up first. Both you and your mother, I am not going to arrest.
Sir?
Yes, I cannot arrest a lady like you, drag you to the court and give you a punishment. The job that actually police in uniform like us should have done, that you have done. Sometimes justice cannot be served through the law of the land. At times we are helpless. Whenever police takes a proper action, human rights and different kinds of commission stop us from doing our job and ask us not to take action. But what I say is, they can question me if I punish a human being. But when I am punishing an animal, how dare they come and stop me? I am a normal police officer. I cannot do anything beyond the law. But then, for a few things, I can take justifiable decisions. Some societal institutions respect only criminals. They don't respect real human beings. In many places, they are robbing a whole jewelry shop. In another place, in broad daylight, people with guns robbed 2 banks and no one stopped them. Somewhere else, a 13-year-old girl, a small girl, a poor soul, she was brutally raped many times. What should we do with them? You have to tell me. If we don't stop this crime, criminals will be born every day. We have to make our law stronger. Yes, these kind of criminals should be punished. Punishment for a crime should be served immediately. Whatever you have done till now, I am okay with it. If I bring you in front of law and punish you, that will prick my conscience for life. Only when women like you are there, criminals will be afraid to do such crimes. In this case, I might get a black mark. But I don't believe that I have lost. Anything that is lost can be regained. But a woman's lost chastity cannot be regained at all. Whatever you have done, I don't think it's a crime. I believe that you only punish the criminals. Justice has won only because of you.